did you have?
Immediately, I sent her a text. I said, this person called me and may gustong kinukuhang kaibigan ko na awayin daw ako. Why is this happening? I don't want to read that. I could read the text, but that's a private thing. But I did tell her na kasi tinawagan niya yung kaibigan ko at inuutusan niyang awayin ako kung kaya. So I said, what's going on? Hindi ko alam eh. Bakit? 'Di ba? So, tama na. Enough is enough. I think, tsaka sa lahat, 'di ba, even when nakalagay balita kahapon, I resigned, people were under the impression of, pakilamera ka kasi ikaw nagpa-cancel ng wedding. No, I want to make it clear na hindi ako nagpa-cancel ng wedding. I told Bea, I reminded her, Bea, wala nga akong alam dyan sa wedding mo. Sa preparation, wala akong alam. And if I have a question, I even call your wedding coordinator. Because ayokong makialam sa private life mo. Ganun ako ka-respectful. Everything you know, like nung lumabas yung marriage bonds, I didn't know about it. May nagpadala na sa akin that morning. Then, wala akong alam. It's really when people know about it. But the problem is, every time may lumalabas sa, di ba, nung mag-boyfriend na sila, and there's always mga news or blind items and all that. Sinasabi niya na pinagbibintangan ako or kampo namin. So, alam ko na. I know how to avoid it na. Di ba? Wag na ako, quiet na ako. Dapat wala akong alam. Because I want a deniability. Kasi sobra na eh. Palagi na lang pag may lumalabas na balita, parang galing daw sa kampo namin. Eh wala na nga akong tinatanong, wala na nga akong alam. Lalo about the wedding, na ano ba yun? At mga nagtatanong kung sa Spain, sabi ko, wala akong alam. And even if may alam ako, alam ko that's very a sore topic for them. So, who am I to confirm any of those? Alam nyo yan. Alam nyo lahat yan. Tinatanong nyo ako, may ni-reveal ba ako? No, kasi ayoko nga makialam.
Kaya yung sinasabi nila na tutol ka ako dahil mawawalan ka ng cash out.
Okay. The problem is, dapat nagtanong sila bago nila ako sabihan ng... I find that very insulting, parang tingin nila sa akin, pulubi. 'Di ba? Na parang pag wala na si Bea sa akin, magugutom na ako. At saka tanungin nyo kahit sino dito sa showbiz, more than 30 years na ako dito, meron bang magsasabi sa inyo na nagutom ako or nangharbat ako ng pera or I cheated my artist out of their talent fee? Meron bang ganun? And meron bang impression sa showbiz na mahirap ako? Diba? I just want to make this clear, Bea did not make me rich, nor will she make me poor. So, stop calling her my cash cow. I have bigger stars that I'm handling, who are busier than her.
How about the prenup, Miss Shirley?
I have no idea about the prenup. Ni anino, ni one sentence of that prenup, hindi ko nakita. I know there's going to be a prenup, pero hindi ako nagmaderang asa na yung prenup. Hindi talaga. I didn't ask about it. Nalaman ko na lang, nagpirmahan na.